Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I want to talk to you about PENGU, okay? Pudgy Penguins, the NFT project that really did explode and has been doing fairly well over the past coming months. But now, unfortunately, it's not good. Volume's down, the price is down, the markets are taking the biggest toilet they can. It's not looking good at all. So we're going to go through this project and look at an area of where we can actually make money here over on the Crypto News channel. So let's get straight into this update here. Over the last day, at around break even, haven't really seen that much decline or that much pumpage. You can see, just see a bit of pumpage to the upside, but still a massive dump to counteract that, hitting that break even amount. Over the last 7 days, this is what I was talking about, guys. This is an absolute bloodbath for a project like this. 30% down. 30%. That is absolutely disgusting here. And if we are going to see some continuation, I will be telling you and showing you exactly where we're going to bounce here. So stay tuned with me, guys, because there's some very important information of where we can actually be putting our limit orders and making a lot of money from just literally buying this asset when it is bouncing quite cleanly, okay? So before we go into the chart, there's something very, very important I want to talk to you about. It's called Best Wallet, guys. Now, Best Wallet is actually in a pre-sale phase. They've raised $11.5 million. They're a Web3 wallet like MetaMask and Phantom, and they support literally 60 different blockchains, guys. But the one thing that has caught my eye about this project is the fact that they're releasing their own contactless payment card for your devices, like your phone device, right? And this basically means you can pay for things with your stable coins in crypto. So they're releasing this ecosystem, bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, and they're hosting a coin and having the coin called Best to support the ecosystem behind it. They've raised $11.5 million so far. Amazing utility behind this thing. Definitely something you should go check out, because obviously we're here to make money on the channel. This pre-sale is looking pretty goddamn juicy to me. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can go do your own research, but there's definitely some meat on the bone here for a project like this, raising $11.5 million. And they've actually also got 100,000 users using their product already. So it's a product with utility, with use case, and already a popping community, guys. And they've raised a lot of money as well. So basically, they're going to get listed on a lot of different exchanges around the world, which should cause a massive spike in the volume for this asset. Anyway, back to PENGU, back to the old Pudgy Penguins, because I've been telling you guys about a bounce area. Now, the bounce area that I'm referring to at this point in time is the volume weighted ATR band on the 4-hour. Now, if we actually look at previous price action for this asset, I know we don't have that much data because it's quite new, but every time we've hit this 4-hour volume weighted ATR band, we've had a surge, okay, quite a nice surge, 8.5% surge there, a little bit more of a wick down there, but you can see the surge after that was around 35% after significant dumps to the downside. So right now, seeing where this asset is going, we're getting ever so close to this little 4-hour volume weighted ATR band yet again. And that basically means there is chance for, I'd say, at least a 5% move here from this zone. So definitely something we should be looking out for there. We should be setting our alerts here, ready for this to actually come into fruition. And when we do see this alert go off, we're going to be looking at that lovely entry point for this long position, and then looking for a lovely like 5-10%. We'll see how the markets are reacting at that time. But that is going to be the PENGU bounce point that you guys should be looking out for there. We might recover before then, and if we do, that's absolutely fine. But you can see this trend is very, very strong. Okay, it's a very strong trend, and at this point in time, it doesn't really look like it's going to be lighting up anytime soon. Okay, it's just continuously falling down with the rest of the markets. So right now, I think if we do have more downside, it will be another sort of 16-17% downside for this asset. But when an asset like this at a $290 million market cap has just lost $300 million, it's very likely we do see continuation to the downside. Okay, and 10% move to the downside here for this would literally just be another 30 million, just under 29 million off this price here, which would be putting it down to roughly around $269, something along the lines of that, $269 million market cap, which is super achievable target here. And then we bounce back up to potentially 300K there. But yeah, let me know what you think of PENGU and Pudgy Penguins here in the comment section. Did you buy any of their NFTs? I'm super intrigued to know. That is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Go check out Best Wallet, guys, before the opportunity closes. A project like this doesn't raise such a significant amount without a successful launch following it, okay? We looked at Jupiter Exchange, Jupiter Decentralized Exchange. They did a raise, they then did a launch, and they sold to $2 billion market cap literally overnight, okay? Because they already have a use case and they had the users on the platform already. So yeah, definitely go check out Best Wallet. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. That is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.